Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your feed language over on the Quora app. So basically, if you want to change the entire language of your feed on basically in which you're going to see posts, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So all you need to do is, like I already did, open the Quora app just like this, and once you've done that, simply head over to the top left corner of your screen at your profile picture, and once you've done that, simply head over to settings at the bottom left corner of your screen just like this. Once you've done that, head over to languages right here, and then right here you will be able to change it to any of these languages. So let's say I want to change it to Spanish. I just click on that just like this, and what you then do is basically click on this blue little icon right here, and once you've done that, you will notice that the entire app will be in Spanish, and also your entire feed will now be in Spanish. What you can then simply do is head over to that setting again by going right here, and then you will be able to change it back by simply clicking right here and then clicking on remove, and basically then clicking on the blue icon right here, and then it's completely back to normal, and that's basically all you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.